My name is Gregory and getting my teeth done. I have dentures right now, not working well for me, so I'm excited about the transition and just make me feel comfortable all over. The amount of crowns and stuff I had, I didn't know they had limitations on how long they lasted, and they just started breaking and just got frustrated. I bite into something, they break, and I'd be spending $3,000 here, $3,000 there. But I didn't know all the things that come with dentures. It affected my speech, my taste, which is not a bad thing. I lost a lot of weight, but I still don't eat a lot of food. So my dentist recommended somebody probably like $25,000 just for the upper. So I started looking around. I went to Costa Rica because I lived there for a while, and you guys had the prices that were the same as Costa Rica, but if I have any problems, you're down the street. You know, when I heard this, I'm like, oh yeah, you're close by, a great value for the price, and so I'm excited. Well, as I was indicating earlier, with the dentures, there's a lot of glue, and teeth could come out anytime, and I mean, it's nice to know that, you know, I can feel free just to be who I am. So far it's so good. I'm on like my last step. I have my temps in still, so I'm looking for my permanent. It's coming up real soon, but right away, the first day, a little bit sore, the gums are a little bit sore, but that's, it's gonna happen, but not like overall period of time, probably first couple days, that's about it. The temporaries work great, solid. I can actually eat food, and they look decent. And the doctor and the staff's been amazing, done everything and answered all my questions as well. Yeah, it's nice that I can smile. It's a nice change. I mean, it's a life-changing thing. It gives you the confidence, plus you can actually eat food, and it's just nice to, it's something you don't have to worry about.